Guys, this is Jayasuriya from Android Pandit. In this section, we are going to learn about different kinds of layouts in Android. They are constraint layout, relative layout, frame layout, and linear layout. Because people are getting confused when I am using a constraint layout and why I am using it here, I'll just show you. I'll explain different kinds of layouts in this video. I'll just open Android Studio project here, and we are given with two activities. One is XML file. We are going to design here. First, I will explain you all about constraint layout. By default, Android Studio takes every XML layout in constraint layout. And constraint layout is used for designing heavy designs. Whenever we have huge number of items in one page, we just give constraints to that items. I'll just show you here. I'll just add an image view. I'll just delete this hello world here. And I'll just add an image view here. In order to add an image view, you should just paste your image in drawable folder. I'll just take this, and you can see 4 dots here. Using these dots, you have to give constraints. I'll just drag it to the left, right, to the left, to the top, and to the bottom. These are constraints. Whenever you give these constraints, there will be no dislocation of this image. The image will be at the exact position what you have given. That is why we use constraint layout for designing heavy designs, and by default Android Studio gives us constraint layout. This is about constraint layout. And whenever you use relative layout, the name itself says we have to give some relation. Means I will just change in the code to this to relative layout. I'll just change this to relative layout. And in relative layout, whenever this is the image what we have added, I'll just give constraint. It's same as constraint layout, but there is some difference. I'll show you the difference. Whenever you add another image view, you have to give these constraints based on the above image. Means this must be related to this. You can just drag it here, and this must be to the right. Means we have to give the constraints related to other items. See, I have given the upper constraint related to the image view before one, and I will give this to the left. Whenever you add another image, you can just give the bottom to that image. This is about relative layout. And I will just explain you about linear layout. Linear layout, the word itself tells linear, means it is straight. It is either vertical or else it is horizontal. And I will change this to linear layout. I will give relative. Linear layout. And we have to give orientation for linear. Whenever we use relative layout, linear layout, we have to give orientation for it. Without orientation, a linear layout will not work. I'll give the orientation as either you can give vertical or else horizontal. If you give horizontal, the linear layout will be horizontal, means it will be like this, like horizontal. And whenever you give vertical, it will be from top to bottom. This is about linear layout. And about frame layout. Frame layout is very simple. It's like frame. It's like nothing like it used for simple items. We use frame layout for simple items. Frame layout means it is related to only one part. Means up to this screen only. We cannot go above the screen. That's it, guys. That's it about layouts in Android. Thank you, guys. If you like the video, you can just subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon.